YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today's video, we have a what's in the box on Polaris's Alpha IQ automatic pool cleaner. Stay tuned, we're going to dive in and show you guys what comes included. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, we're going to do a what's in the box for you guys on Polaris's Alpha IQ automatic pool cleaner. So this pool cleaner is brand new to the market. It's one of the top of the line automatic pool cleaners released by Polaris. So we're going to kind of dive in and just kind of show you guys all the different features that come included in the box so you guys know what to expect when it comes. So first thing you guys can tell, this box is ginormous. So it does give you a bunch of cool key features on the outside of the box so that you guys can kind of see general features of the cleaner. It does connect to your home Wi-Fi. You can control this all through the actual iAqualink app, where you can actually make it drive around your pool through the app so you guys can kind of move it around, do remote controls. You've got, over-the-air performance updates, so anytime they do any kind of software updates, all of this will be done wirelessly for you guys when you connect it to your Wi-Fi and you have everything running through your app. So it's kind of really cool. You can do scheduled cleaning similar to all the other automatic cleaners that are out there on the market. One big thing that I really love about this one is it comes included with the caddy already. They give you a 70-foot cord, so you pretty much have way more than enough cord to be able to get to any kind of pool. The orifice on the bottom is a rather large orifice, so it can get a lot of large debris, and then it's really simple to clean. So just for you guys, we want to open it up and just show you what's in here. So let's get this monstrosity of a box out of the way first. So bear with me as I start to take some stuff out. Lots and lots of cool things that come in this. So there will be some assembly required. It's not going to come just ready to go right out of the door. So you will need to read the instructions on putting everything together. So let's get everything out. Try to put some stuff on the table. Might run out of room, but bear with me and let you guys just kind of see everything that comes included. Get the 70-foot cord out. So the cord's already pre-attached to the cleaner, so when you do go through the process here of trying to take out the hose, you will need to take the cleaner out with it. So, just a second. Alright. Wow. Alright, let me move some more stuff out of the way, get this box out of the way. Was not expecting that many things in here. Set that down. There we go. Here it is, this giant cleaner coming out of the box. So, pick up the things that dropped. Apologize about that. Here is the full cable. They do zip tie a good chunk of it, but some of it's left undone. So, as you guys can tell, I got a lot of it. Goodness. All right. So, first thing is you're going to get some parts of your caddy. So, this is going to be one piece of your caddy. You have the actual base of your caddy. So this looks like the majority of the things that you'll need to put together. You actually have the handle for your caddy. Again, let's set some of this caddy stuff off to the side. So make sure you read the instructions on how to put the caddy together, or check out our other video where we actually do a full installation of this. So then that way we guys can show you guys how to put this together from start to finish. So bear with me. That in there. Clear up some space. So it looks like you got a hardware bag here. Again, I believe this is all stuff for the caddy. And it looks like that's the only piece that they kind of had to tear down for you. They gave the full cleaner already put together for you. So they do give you, looks like a couple of others, locking pins, some other plastic pieces in here. All this is going to be for your caddy. So make sure you guys open that instruction manual to be able to see all that. And mentioning instruction manual, here it is. So they do give you a bag full of all that for you guys. It's got the full quick start guide. You have your full owner's manual. There's a lot of paper too. Then they get into their warranty card. So with this cleaner, for the amount of money that you guys spend on these cleaners, you guys definitely want to make sure that you guys fill out your warranty cards. One good thing that they do is they kind of give them to you guys on a prepaid little mailing thing, so you guys can actually fill this out, throw it in an envelope, and put that in the mail and get that over to them. I know a lot of the other manufacturers give you the opportunity to do all those things online, so I would definitely check out their website and see if you can do that. I know the major point that you guys need, obviously, is the serial numbers, which they do give you 2 serialized stickers in here for it. So don't throw that away. Hold on to it. Put it back in the bag. Set this off to the side. And then let's dive into this other box here that they gave us. So, mystery box. All right. So this is going to be like your main control panel in here. This is your power center. This is where your actual cord's gonna plug into, and this is what's gonna be mounted up on your caddy. So then that way you guys can actually plug this in and let the cleaner start doing its thing. So like I said earlier, it does connect to the iAqualink, so you do have the ability to use the automation system to do full remote control driving with this thing, as well as kind of help it go around the pool and be able to determine what corners or turns it needs to do. So they got a big old sticker here for our smart cycle mode, so they kind of give you guys basic instructions on what you guys should do when you deal with this, but they do give you the full power center as well. That's what comes in this extra little box. So again, when you guys want to see how this gets fully put together and actually see this thing in action, make sure to keep an eye out for our other video. We'll actually do a full install on this thing at a pool, so you guys can kind of see it in action, do some cool little underwater shots for you. So set that off. Like I said, they gave you the 2 extra tires and then the monstrosity of a cleaner. So this thing is not light. So the good thing of coming with the caddy already is obviously you guys can wheel this up to the pool surface, and basically all you got to do is just kind of toss it in. Once you guys kind of get everything hooked up, they do have a portion here bubble wrapped. Open this up so you guys can kind of see this. So I'm guessing this is a big portion of the hose float, as well as some of the control from the actual module. So they do bubble wrap this up so that you guys don't worry about that getting damaged in shipping. So it actually has a swivel on it, so then that way the cleaner can kind of move around and not get all tangled up in your pool. So it's pretty cool. There it is. So it does have like a little latch right here in the front, so that as you guys kind of lift, it'll help release it. And then very similar to like the Quattro Sport that you guys have seen maybe in some of our other videos, it does have the full filter bag assembly in here to be able to take out, so then that way you guys can get all of your debris out in one easy step. Really kind of a cool looking bag. It's a really fine mesh bag, so it would have to be really small particles in order to kind of make its way out of here. Even most chunks of sand aren't going to get through this, so it's only going to be kind of like the dirt or debris. So really cool that they give you this. As you guys can tell, it just pops off pretty easy in order to empty the bag out, and then just slides right back into the top of the cleaner here. Kind of self-explanatory. It's directional in here, so inside the cleaner it has it's put at an angle, so obviously you can only fit the canister back in at one place, but I think it's unwrapped. Let's see a cool picture of it. So we have some cool B-roll footage for you guys, so you guys can actually see this thing up close and check out its really cool notorious Polaris blue color, which is really nice. It's got some wheels right here on the back, so that when you guys do take it off the caddy, you guys are actually able to wheel it, so you guys don't have to actually physically hold the entire cleaner the entire time to your pool. So it's kind of cool. It's got little pre-done wheels here on the back, like a luggage wheel, so that's pretty nifty. And really enjoy these giant scrubbers in the front. Again, this is like an amplified version of the Quattro Sport, and then obviously having the benefit of being a full automatic cleaner, it allows you guys to kind of personalize it to your schedule, as well as use it as needed instead of having to kind of keep it in your pool at any given time like you do with the pressure cleaners or the suction cleaners. So really neat. Like I said, that's pretty much all that comes in the box for it. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. Keep an eye out on the YouTube channel for the new video coming your guys' way to see a full installation. I really appreciate you guys watching. This is a what's in the box on Polaris's Alpha IQ Plus automatic pool cleaner. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.